Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. And not just that, you'll also learn how to bring back all your lost tabs in seconds and, more importantly, how to make sure you never lose them again. So, once you watch this problem is gone for good. If this helps you, consider subscribing and liking the video. I really appreciate it. Now, imagine this. You close Chrome by mistake, you open it again, and everything is gone. Here's what you do. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T, and your last closed tab comes back instantly. Keep pressing it, and all your previous tabs will keep coming back one by one. So first problem solved. Nothing is actually lost. Now, if you want more control, or you're looking for a specific tab, here's the next step. Go to the top area of Chrome, open your recent activity, and you'll see a section called Recently Closed. From here, you can see all your tabs, and just click to restore anything you need. So now you have full control over your lost tabs. Now, this is the most important part. If you don't want this problem ever again, do this once, and you're done forever. Go to the top, right? Click on the three dots, open Settings, then go to On Startup,
and select
Continue where you left off. Now what happens is simple. Even if you close Chrome, or your system shuts down, when you open it again, all your tabs will still be there. No stress, no loss. So now you know how to restore tabs, and also how to make sure you never lose them again. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. And comment below what you want next. I'll make a video on it. See you in the next one. Thumbs up.